Welcome to Hanging Out with Robert, that's me. This video contains things that I tinker with throughout the day. For step-by-step detailed instructions of those tasks, you can click on the links in the comment section below. I plan on leaving this video accessible for about 30 days. After that, you can view it through my Patreon account. This video also has tips and tricks that I've learned over the years. So, thank you very much for watching. Time to get Red Barron's parts out of this storage and get to work. Crack, crack. I know it don't look like I took much out of here, but I did. Got a bunch in the car. So make sure I got my key, lock this up, check that other storage for my crossbars, and get out of here. Time to get the wrenching. I'm gonna knock off this flywheel from the automatic and install the manual, and then get the clutch and pressure plate installed. Check the rear main seal. If it's dry, I'm a true believer in leaving sleeping dogs lie. I'm gonna leave it alone. Dry as a bone. If it was at all wet, I would replace it. Got all the rust off the surface of the flywheel with one of those rotor cleaners. I'm gonna go ahead and set that in place. It's got a dowel pin, and then I'm going to get some thread sealer, torque this thing on here. I got the timing aligned, marks up, but man, in here it looks a little oily. So my guess is one of these VVT hubs are leaking. One or both. This one here has the most dirt buildup. That's probably the one that's leaking. So I'm gonna pull that VVT hub and replace that seal in there. Now that I got this timing set, this crank lock pushed all the way in, now I should be able to torque that with no problem. Looking for the screws for the pressure plate. There's 6 of them. Kind of almost a button head, maybe T30s. Other than my walk, I am done for the day. Got lots of parts for Red Barron in here. Could not locate my screws for the clutch and pressure plate. Gotta go dig those out, and then I'll be ready to finish the engine up, bring Red Barron down here, and get this thing installed and running. Red Barron, boy! If you feel that this information was useful, please like it and share it with your social media friends. You can subscribe to my channel so that you will get notifications of future videos that I post. You can follow me on Twitter, and if you need to contact me directly, please visit my website. And if you have any questions, leave them below, and someone or myself will reply to them. Again, thank you very much for watching.